Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera preserve night mode setting on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Camera. And in Camera, go down and tap on Preserve Settings. And then we go down and tap on night mode switch to turn it on or off. Okay, so if this is switch on, it will preserve the night mode settings rather than automatically reset night mode to auto. So if you go to the camera, and when you are in a dark environment, you can see this icon right here. This is the night mode icon. It shows like a moon icon, kind of sort. So right here, and at the moment it has a yellow background, so it is set to kind of like auto. So if I swipe across here, you can see at the bottom we can change it. So if I zoom out, so if I tap on this moon icon, I can switch it to off, or I can switch it to auto or to max. So the number of seconds will changes depending on how dark your environment is, and it can go up to a maximum of 10 seconds right now. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.